Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Kickstart. If you're exploring cryptocurrency exchanges and considering MEXC, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through a detailed review of MEXC, covering everything from features to trading fees and how to get started with the MEXC referral code 12K4M5. So let's dive right in. MEXC is one of the leading crypto exchanges, offering a wide range of cryptocurrencies and trading options. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, MEXC has something to offer. By using the referral code 12K4M5 when you sign up, you can access some fantastic bonuses. Let's talk about what makes MEXC a great choice for crypto trading. MEXC was founded in 2018 and has quickly grown into a significant player in the crypto exchange market. With millions of users worldwide, MEXC provides a robust platform for trading, investing, and earning in the crypto space. MEXC boasts a user-friendly trading interface that caters to both beginners and seasoned traders. Here are some key features. Wide range of cryptocurrencies. MEXC supports over 1,800 cryptocurrencies, making it one of the most diverse exchanges available. Trading options. Offers spot, margin, and futures. Trading with various order types like market, limit, and conditional orders. Proprietary trade matching system ensures efficient and quick transactions. Staking options. Provides opportunities to earn income through the MEXC saving program. Mobile app. Trade on the go with the MEXC mobile app. Getting started with MEXC is easy. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Visit the MEXC website, open your browser, and go to MEXC.com. 2. Sign up. Click on the Sign Up button at the top right corner. 3. Fill in your details. Enter your email, create a password, and fill in other required information. 4. Enter the referral code 12K4M5. During the sign-up process, make sure to enter 12K4M5 in the designated field to claim your bonuses. 5. Complete registration. Follow the prompts to complete your registration, and you're all set. Using the code 12K4M5 is key to unlocking those referral benefits. Once you've signed up, you might want to verify your identity for additional features. Here's how. 1. Log in to your MEXC account. 2. Go to Profile, Identification. Click on Complete Now on the pop-up. 3. Confirm your country. Make sure it matches your ID. 4. Fill in personal details. Enter your information and click Continue. 5. Verify your ID. Upload the required documents and provide a selfie. 6. Complete facial recognition using your device's camera. 7. Wait for approval. MEXC will notify you via email once your verification is complete. This process ensures the security of your account and allows you to access all the features of MEXC. Understanding the fee structure is crucial for any trader. Here's a breakdown. Maker and taker fees. MEXC operates on a maker and taker fee model with competitive rates for both spot and futures trading. Fee levels. Fees vary based on your trading volume and VIP level. Deposit and withdrawal fees. These fees depend on the currency and method used. MEXC takes security seriously. They employ advanced security features including cold storage. The majority of user funds are stored in cold wallets, which are not connected to the internet. Two-factor authentication, 2FA, adds an extra layer of security to user accounts. Real-time monitoring, continuous monitoring to detect and prevent suspicious activities. Trading on MEXC is straightforward. Here's a quick guide. Log in. Access your MEXC account. Navigate to the trading page. Choose the market you want to trade in. Place your order. Select the type of order, market, limit, or conditional, and enter the details. Execute, confirm, and execute your trade. MEXC offers robust customer support, including 24/7 live chat for immediate assistance. Email. Support for more detailed inquiries. Educational resources, guides, tutorials, and FAQs to help users navigate the platform. Let's summarize the pros and cons. Pros: wide range of supported cryptocurrencies, user-friendly interface, advanced security features, and educational resources. Cons: some users may find the trading fees higher compared to other platforms. All right, that's it for today's video. MEXC offers a comprehensive trading experience with numerous features to enhance your crypto journey. Remember to use the referral code 12K4M5 when you sign up to enjoy some great bonuses. Don't forget to subscribe to Crypto Kickstart for more crypto tips and guides. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Happy trading. See you in the next video. Bye.